What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, someone in Nairobi just made 15,000 shillings using nothing but their phone and artificial intelligence? No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, and no, you don't need a computer science degree or thousands of shillings to get started. The AI revolution isn't coming to Kenya. It's already here. Safaricom is using AI-powered chatbots in customer service, and Kenyan startups like Marketforce 360 are helping retailers optimize inventory with AI. But here's what nobody is talking about. Everyday Kenyans are quietly building income streams with AI that most people don't even know exist yet. Whether you're a university student in Mombasa, a mama mboga in Kisumu, or someone stuck in traffic in Nairobi wondering how to make extra cash, this video is going to show you exactly how to turn AI into your personal money-making machine. 3 months ago, my friend Sarah was struggling to make ends meet as a freelance writer. Content mills were paying peanuts and clients kept asking for cheaper rates. Then she discovered something that changed everything. She started using AI to enhance her writing services, not replace her skills, but multiply them. Last week, she texted me a screenshot of her M-Pesa statement. 47,000 shillings earned in just 2 weeks. She's not special, she didn't have any secret connections, and she started with 0 shillings invested. She just learned what I'm about to teach you today. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 hottest AI money-making opportunities that are perfect for Kenya's market right now, exactly which free AI tools to use and how to set them up on your phone or computer, step by step how to land your first paying client and what to charge them, the biggest mistakes that kill AI side hustles before they even start and how to avoid them. Let's dive in. Opportunity for 1, AI-enhanced content creation. Here's the thing, AI-powered content creation and prompt engineering are creating real money opportunities for people who want to add that human touch to AI drafts. But you're not competing with AI, you're partnering with it. Think about this. Every business in Kenya needs content. Your local hardware store needs Facebook posts, that new restaurant in your neighborhood needs Instagram captions, and SMEs across the country need blog articles. But most business owners don't have time to write, and they can't afford expensive agencies. Here's your step-by-step approach. Step 1. Download ChatGPT or Claude. Both have free versions on your phone. Step 2. Practice prompts like write 5 Facebook posts for a hardware store in Nakuru that sells building materials. Step 3. Always edit the AI output to add local flavor. Mention matatus, use sheng where appropriate, reference Kenyan experiences. Step 4. Create sample posts for different business types and compile them into a portfolio. Real example. Sarah charges 2,500 shillings for a week's worth of social media content, 7 posts. It takes her about 2 hours using AI assistants. That's 1,250 shillings per hour, way better than most traditional jobs. Opportunity number 2, AI-powered virtual assistants. AI can automate routine tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and inventory management, reducing human error and freeing up time. Here's where you come in. You become the bridge between AI tools and busy business owners. Many Kenyan entrepreneurs are drowning in admin work. They need someone to help them organize their customer data, schedule appointments, manage their WhatsApp business accounts, and create simple reports. You can use AI to do this work faster and more accurately than doing it manually. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Learn basic prompt engineering for data organization using ChatGPT or Claude. Step 2. Practice with tools like Google Sheets and AI integration. Step 3. Offer services like I'll organize your customer database and set up automated follow-up messages. Step 4. Start with small local businesses, salons, shops, restaurants. Pricing example. Charge 5,000 shillings per month per client for basic virtual assistants with AI support. Get just 4 clients and you're making 20,000 shillings monthly. Opportunity number 3, AI-generated digital products. Digital product sales like templates and Notion dashboards are creating real income opportunities. This is perfect because once you create a digital product, you can sell it multiple times without extra work. Kenyan market gaps I've identified. Business plan templates for chama groups, social media content calendars for local businesses, simple websites for small businesses, educational materials in Kiswahili. Here's your blueprint. Step 1. Use AI to create high-quality templates. ChatGPT for text, Canva with AI for designs. Step 2. Customize everything for the Kenyan market. Use local examples, Kenyan business scenarios. Step 3. Sell on platforms like WhatsApp Business, Facebook Marketplace, or create a simple website. Step 4. Price reasonably, 201,000 shillings per template. One guy I know created a Chama record-keeping template using AI assistance. He sold over 300 copies at 500 shillings each. Do the math. That's 150,000 shillings from one product. Common mistakes and tips. Mistake number 1. Trying to hide that you use AI. Don't do this. Instead, position yourself as an AI expert who delivers better results faster. Clients care about results, not your methods. Mistake number 2. Underpricing your services. Just because you're using AI doesn't mean you should charge less. You're providing value. Price accordingly. Your time and expertise in prompt engineering and local market knowledge are valuable. Pro tip: always add your human touch. AI gives you the foundation, but your understanding of Kenyan culture, Sheng, local business challenges, and market dynamics is what makes you irreplaceable. Pro tip number 2. Start small and local. Your neighbor's shop, your cousin's business, your church's social media. These are perfect first clients who'll give you testimonials and referrals. Look, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you more powerful. While everyone else is worried about AI taking jobs, smart Kenyans are using AI to create jobs and build income streams that didn't exist 5 years ago. The opportunities I've shown you today aren't just theory. They're working right now for people across Kenya. Some entrepreneurs are already making thousands of dollars monthly by combining AI with smart targeting and marketing. Your homework is simple. Pick one of these 3 opportunities, spend this week learning the basics, and launch your first service before the month ends. The AI gold rush in Kenya is happening right now, and there's plenty of room for everyone who's willing to start. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible with AI in Kenya, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical ways to build income online. Drop a comment telling me which AI opportunity you're going to try first. I read every single comment and I'll personally reply with specific tips for your situation. Your financial breakthrough might be just one AI tool away. See you in the next video.